Tired of crashes? GIGABYTE X870 AORUS Elite delivers rock-solid Ryzen power. Ever felt like your motherboard is the sneaky villain in your build saga, crashing mid-game, bottlenecking your Ryzen dreams, or hiding ports like they're state secrets? It's that gut-punch frustration when a simple upgrade turns into a cable-tangling nightmare, leaving you staring at a half-lit rig. Picture this: your prized GPU idling while Wi-Fi lags during a crucial download. If this hits too close, drop your wildest build blunder in the comments. Misery loves company, right? But hey, what if one board flipped the chaos to calm? Those nail-biting deadlines where thermal throttling sneaks in, spiking stress and zapping your focus as burnout looms from endless BIOS tweaks and spotty connectivity? Hosting a stream? Yeah, it's soul-crushing when PCI Express bottlenecks choke your flow, turning epic sessions into error-filled echoes. Imagine seizing back the reins on your AMD AM5 setup. No more frantic forum dives or fragile hacks, just seamless speed that sinks your vision. If you're wrestling this rig rebellion, this could rewrite your rules without extra clutter or compromise. What's your ultimate hardware headache? Spill below. Step into the spotlight with the GIGABYTE X870 AORUS Elite Wi-Fi 7, your breakthrough command center for AMD AM5 dominance. A sleek ATX powerhouse packing DDR5 slots, 4x M.2 drives, 3 PCI Express 5.0 blazing, PCI Express 5.0 GPU glory, dual USB 4 ports, Wi-Fi 7 wireless wizardry, and 2.5 gigabit Ethernet LAN, all wrapped in EZ-Latch ease with a 5-year warranty shield. That 16 plus 2 plus 2-phase VRM hums cool under load. Intuitive QFlash Plus letting you BIOS swap SMS CPU drama, while Tool SM.2 clicks banish screwdriver skirmishes. Feel the rush, air humming with untapped potential, your intuition buzzing as Wi-Fi 7 streams flawlessly, no drops derailing the vibe. Take Alex, the freelance editor whose old board choked on 4K renders, until the X870 AORUS Elite Wi-Fi 7's PCI Express 5.0 unleashed buttery exports, his deadline dread dissolving into triumphant high fives over USB 4 fast file transfers. Or Lena, the gamer mom juggling streams. EZ-Latch swapped her card in seconds, Wi-Fi 7 locking 8K feeds without a hitch, her kids' cheers syncing to lag-free multiplayer magic. Here's one way the GIGABYTE X870 AORUS Elite Wi-Fi 7 saved the day for a busy professional. Mid-crunch, he hot-swapped an M.2 via toolless bliss, DDR5 overclock hitting records without a sweat, reclaiming hours for coffee and conquests. Sensory spark? That first boot's glow, like a heartbeat syncing to silicon symphony, narrative gold for your next chapter. Why endure echoes when this board crafts crescendos? If you're itching for that edge, comment "Upgrade now" for the insider overclock whisper. Keep scrolling for the bonus EZ-Latch hack that makes swaps hypnotic. Your rig's revelation awaits. Unlock efficiency nirvana with the GIGABYTE X870 AORUS Elite Wi-Fi 7, where 16 plus 2 plus 2 VRM phases and beefy cooling deliver laser-focused performance, banishing blue screens for butter-smooth multitasking that sharpens your edge in renders or raids. Ditch the daisy chain disasters. For M.2 slots, PCI Express 5.0 Trio, and PCI Express 5.0 by 16 slots supercharged storage and graphics, while Wi-Fi 7 and 2.5 gigabit Ethernet LAN weave seamless networks, boosting your workflow from frantic to fluid. Hours reclaimed for victory laps, not ventilation fixes. Thousands geek out because it morphs meh machines into marvels. That intuitive DDR5 harmony hitting like a perfectly timed clutch. See why it's the whisper on every forum. Expert reviewer at Tweaktown hails it value dynamite without skimping on PCI Express 5.0 punch or USB 4 speed. Ticks every box for savvy builders. Influencer from Gigawatt raves. Building's a breeze with toolless latches. Wi-Fi 7 paired instantly, turning my Ryzen rig into a connectivity king. EZ-Latch is the unsung hero I didn't know I needed. Analyst at the frame per second review nods. sits atop X870 with top-tier VRM and storage flex at $289. Outshines B650E relics while future-proofing AM5 dreams. User Jordan shares, as a compact desk warrior, the X870 AORUS Elite Wi-Fi 7's PCI Express 5.0 filled my setup with speed SNS space hogs, swapped SSDs midstream. No hiccups, feels like velvet overclocking. Another, overclocker Mia, chuckles. One pro swore I'd fry my board pushing limits, huh? Dual USB 4 and Wi-Fi 7 handled it cool, temps dipping like a pro dodge. Objection to overhyped for mid-range. Nah, it's premium perks at entry elite pricing, reinforcing UVP with 5-year armor against the doubters. Which feature fires you up? Wi-Fi 7 wings or M.2 blitz? Comment below and fuel the frenzy. Rhetorically, doesn't your build crave this tactile thrill, that subtle hum of untethered power pulling you deeper? Narrative weave. Envision the remote BIOS flash like a midnight ritual, performance pulsing as EZ-Latch intuition guides your genius. Lightly cheeky? Why chase flagship fluff when GIGABYTE X870 AORUS Elite Wi-Fi 7 slays with substance over sparkle? Curiosity coils. What's the hidden thermal tweak pros hoard? Scarcity alert. Grab your slice of silicon supremacy before GIGABYTE X870 AORUS Elite Wi-Fi 7 stocks evaporate, joining hordes who've turbocharged their AM5 worlds with PCI Express 5.0 Fury, Wi-Fi 7 wizardry, and DDR5 dominance, ditching drag for dazzle. Don't linger as limited units fly. Snag yours now and sense the surge in every seamless boot. One builder nailed it. Couldn't believe how EZ-Latch slashed my swap time, from hours to heartbeats. If you're tangled in thermal woes or connectivity cramps, this may change your game. Comment yes for the exclusive VRM tuning tip inside. Click to unlock that secret BIOS boost, making overclocks effortless. Don't just watch. Jump in and transform your workflow today.